Hey guys, Miss Tara Brooke here. Just wanted to share a quick little hair tutorial with you guys. We're just going to get right into everything. Your tools. Let's talk about tools. I love my $9.99 Conair curling iron that I've had for years and years and years. It gets the job done. Whether you're using a curling iron, a rod, or a straightener, the technique is basically the same. You just need to remember a few things. I am going to start here in the back. I take about an inch section. I'm going to go ahead and curl from the mid shafts, curling away from my face. And then we're going to release, pull down, curl back up, release, curl back up. So the tip here is to leave between 1 and 2 inches out of the bottom and start at the mid shafts. We're going to let that set and let that be free. I'm going to toss this back here so I don't touch it. I let my curls cool before I do anything with them. That's going to help them set and stay curly. So we're going to take another section back here. There is no rhyme or reason when it comes to your sections. You just want to make sure you're curling away from your face, starting at the mid shafts. Gonna go ahead and release, roll back up, leave out a few inches at the bottom, toss those back. We're going to keep doing this same technique all the way around. Now, if you have shorter hair, you can do the same thing. You just want to make sure you stay about midway down your hair. This front piece, I'm going to keep this top front piece out. So see, we're staying a few inches away from the hair. We don't curl up anything higher than that. All right, this last piece, away from your face, a few inches away. Release, roll back, release, roll back, a few inches away. We've got this side all curled. This is our base. So we've got one side down. We're just going to do the same on this other side. Notice how I don't section my hair off. I like to save time. Time is money. There is nothing more valuable than time, and I just don't think it's necessary. If you feel like you got to do it, you do you, girl, but Mama's got about 5 minutes to curl her hair every day. Always curling away from your face. Alright, so now we've created our base. Everything is curled. We're going to go ahead and feel through these curls. These are nice and cool, so we're going to brush through with our fingers. And then we're going to go ahead, take a texturizing spray. I like texturizing spray over hairsprays because you feel a little bit of grit. It has a little bit of hold, but you don't necessarily have that hairspray crunchy feel. Okay, these guys are cool now. Run our fingers through it. Same thing on this side. Texture spray. Fluff it, fluff it. And then, now that we have our base, I go through and I don't want my hair to be symmetrical, but this side is just slightly curlier than this side. So we're going to go ahead and take little pieces. We're going to curl up just a titch. What even is a titch? I don't even know. Same with this front piece. We're going to curl up a little higher on this guy. And I'm not even worrying about these because these are already good to go. So we're just going to do that top. Let that set. So this is a nice, easy 5-minute curl. It may take you 10 minutes to start. As you get going, you will shorten your time. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of hair oil. I've got a pump in my hands. I'm going to rub it around. Run my fingers through. We're going to give it a little bit of shine. We want to keep our hair nice and healthy. So I prefer to use Redken Argan Oil. I think it is the greatest thing ever. And just like that, we've got yummy curls that are going to last all day. Thank you guys so much for watching. We've got 5-minute hair. Pop any questions down below. And thanks so much for watching. Miss Tara Brooke with Be More Beauty Collection.